Wow, that is pretty as a picture. And I love how it's set off the street.
Yeah, so we're on just over 1,000 square meters of usable land, great size double garage, and just wait till you see the presentation inside. It's unbelievable.
Wow, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings, and lots of natural light.
Yeah, it's brilliant. And it's a really generously proportioned home. Great size kitchen, dining, and separate living area. You can entertain so many people here.
Do you want to look inside?
Wow, look at this undercover entertaining. It's private, quiet, and you're right next to Mt Coolum.
And a flat walk to the beach and shops.
Thanks so much for watching. Jansen and I look forward to meeting you at the next open home. For those that can't make it, please give us a call and we'll get you through for your own private tour.